it up.
Oh hey, it's you guys. Hi, I missed you guys so much. So I'm in my new apartment in Fresno, California. I'm officially a Fresno resident. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an apartment tour. I'm super excited. I have my own place. Just good things coming. Make sure you take off your shoes. Here. So as you can see, we are in my living room. My friend Chase, he put up my TV. Super excited. I'm so excited that this TV has been up. It's my Samsung. I have a coffee table here. I have a mirror. I just love mirrors on top of fireplaces, so that's what I wanted to do. As soon as I saw that I had a fireplace, I was like, you know what, I gotta go buy myself a mirror. This weekend, my couch is gonna be coming in. So as you can see, it's a little bit awkward, like how this is. I want to get an L-shaped couch, but I think I'm just gonna have enough room for just a regular couch. So yeah, so that's why my TV a little bit slanted this way, because as you can see, whoever's sitting right here, it's just gonna be a lot easier for them to not have to break their necks. Okay, so as you can see here, this is gonna be my little cute table where I have like decor, picture frames. I don't have a picture in here yet. I need to go print pictures. I've been so bad at printing pictures of me and my son and just anything in general. I got this candle from Marshall's. Smells really good. I feel like anything grapefruit, it really just like hides the smell of just anything and just makes your house smell really good and fresh and summery. So I have that going right now. Okay. So as you can see, I have my dining table. I got all the placemats and this little decor, this fake flower, all at Walmart, all for $16. So I love it, so cute. I love this whole like studded design on it. This table's perfect. My old table that I had in my other apartment, it was a high table and my poor son would seriously like try and get on it by himself. This is obviously a lot easier for him to just hop into and just enjoy his cute little meals. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and go where the magic happens. This is actually where the magic happens. People say the magic happens in the bedroom. No. The magic happens in here. Please excuse my dishes. I have these cute countertops. I love, super easy to clean. Have some bananas. Gotta always have some fruit. I'm not a fan of these kind of stoves. I think it's like a safety reasons why they don't have the ones with like the flames. Is that gas? Is this not gas?
No, it's electric.
Electric. Okay, I'd rather have the ones with the flames. I got this from Target. I feel like I'm gonna like this a lot easier than like the ones where you put into the drawers, because this is just a lot cuter. I can put it on the table, whoever needs to grab some. It's not creating more space or anything. So I have these cute little stools that I got from Marshall's. I'm such a big fan of Marshall's. Towels. I have a window right here. As you can see, I have a cute little view of a tree. I have my soaps here, of course, Method from Target. I got this cute little square sponge from Target. I've never seen anything like it. I thought it was cute and I was like, you know what, I gotta get it. Okay, so got my cabinets, got my alarm. You gotta get an alarm system. It runs through insurance. You know what? Let me go ahead and open up this Capri Sun. Actually, I'm really parched. Okay. Now, every Latina, if you're a Latina, you have to buy this. Come here. You have to have this Fiesta pack. If you do not have this Fiesta pack, like, look at 4 bags of extra hot Cheetos. They should have more of these. But these 2 are my favorite. And then that one's like my 3rd favorite. And then it goes those, and those. So anyways, this is probably gonna be gone within a week, so gotta stock up on your chips. And if that's not enough, we gotta have these. Okay? So anyways, and we gotta stock up on the top ramen. Can never have enough top ramen. Don't matter if you're rich, poor, middle income. Gotta have the top ramen. Okay, go ahead, follow me. I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. Al baño. Don't show my bedroom yet. Okay? So as you can see, we have my cute little bathroom here. I have this. Well, I don't understand. Sometimes people just buy the cloth shower stuff. You're supposed to also buy this because this gets wet. You have to also put this plastic thing going on right here. As you can see, I like to keep my counters just empty, just soap. Everything is tucked away in here. My makeup, hair products, all that good stuff. Look at this cute little toilet brusher I got from Marshall's. It has like blings. It's bling. Have you ever seen that before?
No.
And now this is my bedroom, you guys. My sanctuary, my everything. Just where I lay my head to rest after a long day, you know. So anyways, I got my bedding from Target. Super cute. I love how the whole white is. I don't know how long it's gonna stay white with my son and with these floors because obviously there's no carpet. I need to buy some rugs. So yeah, I love that I have this big mirror right here. This is my favorite. Sorry, I'm still organizing my closet, but I have my son's stuff on this side. I have my stuff on this side, and then I have my ring light right here because I'm planning on making more YouTube videos for you guys. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get started. So anyways, that's my apartment. Thank you guys so much for coming. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now it's time for you guys to leave my crib. I'll get out.
I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up